Hello, friends. Welcome back again. This is me, Navi, again with you. So, I usually travel to India like once or twice a year and I take gifts for my family and friends. This year, I decided to take some designer bags for them, and I heard Michael Kors, a MK brand, is very popular right now in India. So, I decided to order online some MK bags for my family and friends. There's always something magical, right, about unboxing a designer item, and especially when it didn't break the bank. Just like how the last video that we made of Louis Vuitton bag, this bag here is not as expensive, but designer and beautiful, yes. So this is how it came. I requested them to gift wrap the boxes. So my husband is helping me, and there we go. So welcome back to Random Things Old Souls, where style meets soul, and today it meets savings again. This is the first box we have. Wow, this is huge. Look at it. So beautiful. I was thinking like one item will be packed separately, but this is like everything is packed in one big box. So I think I ordered 5 to 6 bags. Let's open the box. Okay, there you go. Which bag is this? This looks like the Sheila medium logo satchel. I got one bag for my mother-in-law. She usually doesn't carry a lot of bags, but I was ordering one for my mother, so I thought why not to get one for my mother-in-law. So this bag comes in a beautiful brown color. It usually comes in one size, and it's a perfect. You would take it for party, for gatherings, and for regular day-to-day as well. And I remember ordering it that it has a beautiful branding of MK all over. Yeah, isn't that beautiful? Okay, and then it comes with this thing. This is the MK branding right here. My husband's gonna show you what's inside. Wow, so there's like enough space. There's like a lot of space to keep your phone, little wallet inside. And then it comes with this long big string as well. So it's like when you are dressing up or dressing down, you can decide if you want to strap it or not. Okay, there's a lot of compartments there. 1, 2, and there's one inside right there, and there's 2 outside compartments. Okay, so this is the Sheila medium logo satchel. Okay, let's show you the logo. There's the shiny logo. Okay, Michael Kors. Isn't this a beautiful, stunning bag? I'm sure my mother-in-law will love it. Okay, let's open the second bag. I guess I'm gonna use this beautiful box and this ribbon with the bow. And this box has got magnets, so I'm gonna use this to keep my rest of the bags and shoes in there. I just give him a small little knife to work with. Now this looks really beautiful. Which box should we open? Let's start with the golden one. Isn't that just cute? I'm just gonna pack this in a suitcase just like this. Let's see the bag. I know which is this one. I know. I believe this is the copper signature logo bifold wallet. So basically it comes in different colors. I picked 2 different colors. One was the red clay, and the other one that I picked was a yellow dairy color. So usually they come in one size. I know that my sister prefers carrying this purse. She does not like big bags. She is like in a hurry to get, so this is like one handy to go purse. So it has a lot of space to keep your cards, and I believe there's some space to keep money in there as well, right? And it is just a perfect cute bag. There's a zip at the back as well. There you go. Isn't it perfect? So cute. Oh, I think I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna give a different color, the orange one, to my sister, and I'm gonna keep this. This is just so cute. Let's open the next one. Okay, looks like it will be the same purse in a different color. This must be the orange color. There's a lot of packing, huh, Michael Kors? Okay, so we have 3 sisters. So this one is, I'm gonna give this to my eldest sister, and this is again the Cooper signature bifold wallet in red clay and blue. So basically this is red clay and this is the blue. It has the branding all over, and this just looks so cute. Isn't it bold, compact, and unapologetically fierce? Kind of me just before my morning coffee. This is just cute. I just love it. See how there's branding everywhere. A perfect wallet to gift her. Okay, let's open the next one. Now let's see who this is for. This is beautiful, ain't it? This is the medium logo convertible crossbody bag. This is for my younger cute little sister. Oh, isn't this trendy and stylish? It is very classic, structured, and I see dependable. It is so beautiful. Perfect for outing with friends, for going out for a coffee. There you go, right? Even you can dress it up with your parties and stuff. Can have a close look. So there you go. Oh my god, I just love this. I want to keep this, but I guess I bought it for her. And I have too many MKs and Coach. This is just beautiful. I love it. Okay, so this is for my younger sister. Now I'm gonna ask him to open the last bag. Let's see. So this here is the Sheila convertible crossbody bag. My mom needed something in white. I know she likes white a lot. So, oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous. Vanilla color. Can you remove this as well? Vanilla and corn combo. So basically it's 2-in-1 in functionality, and finally the jet set 2-in-1 vanilla and acron. It's giving. It's like I brunch at the wrist. There you go. Somebody's at the door. My husband has to go and check. I'm gonna try to show you this bag. Actually, I want to show you the chain as well. I don't want to remove all the packing. The chain here is golden. Do you see? So it's a very party feel. It has the golden chain, and the leather here is also strapped. So you know, if it's too long, you can cut it short. If it is good enough, you can use both. It's beautiful. Let's turn it around. Okay, let's see the space. So there's enough space for card. Okay, that's beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? There's like so much space inside. I think she's gonna love it. This is just a perfect bag. So this bag is for my mother. Can you show us like a little bit of the zip as well? I mean to say the straps. Okay, there you go. See? Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it so trendy? It's a beautiful bag. I'm sure she's gonna love it, especially for her kitty parties and outing with friends. She's gonna love it. So as I said, luxury does not always need a 4-digit price tag. Sometimes it just needs a smart shopper and a good eye. Let me know which one stole your heart in the comments. And remember, your vibe always attracts your tribe. Stay stylish, stay soulful. Like, share, and subscribe for more real moments, luxury finds, and some old soul vibes. Love you. Tada!